Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I've got this amazing product to share with you today. You're going to want to stick around all the way to the end because I've got some amazing bonuses that you can get access to my premium courses just for picking this up. And my courses actually sell on a daily basis, and I usually don't release them as a bonus, but in this case, you're going to get the chance to get access to some of my premium courses that even cost $100 just to get into them. Now, what is this product today? Well, I usually only do product reviews. I don't do them very often on this channel, and only if I believe in the product and I think that you can actually make money from the product, then I'll share it with you. So hopefully we'll stick to the end, and I will show you everything. I even have access to the product, so I'll be able to show you exactly what you're going to get, and then I'll show you exactly what you need to do in order to set this up so you can start building your affiliate marketing business. So this is an unprecedented access. The actual high performing sales funnels, they've already released these products. They've already used these products in their daily basis. I'll go over whoever is creating this in a minute. So that they've used these, still using them today to generate $563,000 in revenue. So over the years, I think the Kevin Fahey's been on Warrior Plus for like 10 years. He's made millions of dollars. I think he averages between $500,000, $700,000 per year. So do the math, it's millions of dollars, and leverage them to build your own email list and skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. This guy knows what he's talking about. This is the real deal. This is a real product. A lot of the products that come out on Warrior Plus are just trash, they're garbage, but you can trust that if you're gonna go and utilize a Kevin Fahey product, then you know that it's going to be a good one. And here's exactly proof that this guy does create good products. He has over 11,000 followers, right? He is a top 25% vendor. He's a superstar vendor. Okay, wait, so he has that badge, but then it goes even more than that, because he's actually a vendor, has 9 featured products, elite affiliate. He's a top 5% affiliate, superstar vendor. Okay, so this guy knows what he's doing. And then look, this is very rare to see something like this. To have 26,000 sales and have over a 4.0 average on Warrior Plus, that's unheard of. And look at this, his products sell, right? You've got 3,000 sales right there, 1,000 sales right there, another 1,000 sales right there. And a lot of these free things that he releases, here's another 2,000 sales. But some of these freebies, that's why you're seeing some of these in the hundreds. But he goes over all this in this strategy right now. So this is definitely a good product to invest in. We'll go back to the sales page. You can obviously watch this, but I'm not going to do that right now. We're going to go in here, and it's called Free Affiliate Funnels. And I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the product because I understand it. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I understand this stuff, and I'm going to just show you. You can obviously click the first link below, and you're going to be taken to my bonus page right here. Now, I want to go over the bonuses before I show you the product. Stick around. I'll just show you that I do have access to the product right here. I'm going to go over exactly what you get inside the product in just a sec, but I want to go over the bonuses with you real quick, because you are going to see a lot of other affiliates going out and promoting this product. It launches on Saturday, April 30th. Okay, so this is David Mills's free affiliate funnels bonus, and the product is called Free Affiliate Funnels, just FYI. So what is this? So obviously I went over Kevin Fahey. I showed you his profile on Warrior Plus. This is a legit marketer, and he goes above and beyond on his products. They are quality products, and that's why he averages such a high score. So you know that if you're buying this product, it's not going to be one of those crap products. You can actually utilize this product to start building your business. And I'm actually planning on utilizing this product in my business as well. So in this product, you get a ton of value. You will get access to 10 affiliate funnels that are free offers that you can build an audience from, right? So if you're trying to build a list, he goes over that method. If you just want to start making money and you want a hands-off approach and you don't want to fiddle with any kind of tech or building landing pages, there's also a strategy inside for you for this as well. So all you have to do is focus on the traffic, and then they'll do all the marketing for you. Check out some of the fantastic offers you will get for free. right below. Let Kevin and his team do all the selling for you, and you get the commissions. So here, you just saw that page a second ago. Look at all these beautiful pages, all kinds of landing pages, thank you pages, the whole thing. All you have to do is send traffic, and if someone signs up for the free offer, then they're going to market and email them and do all the work for you. And then if you make any sales on any products, then you're going to get commission on those products. And that's what makes this product shine. It's a business in a box. It truly is. And you can trust that you're actually sending them to high converting offers. So you're not wasting your efforts. You're not wasting time on traffic, right? So here are my bonuses for free affiliate funnels. If you decide to click the link below on this video, you'll be taken to this page. And if you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you right over to the sales page over here. And then if you click the buy button, you will get access to all of these bonuses on this page. So bonus one, I'm going to give you access to my course, Small YouTube, Big Profits. And it's how I made $13,000 from like 500 subscribers on this channel when I very first started, the first year on this channel, and from a very small channel. And I was still able to pull in $13,000 my first 6 months on the channel. So it's 3 hours of premium content right here, teaching you exactly how you can build a YouTube business from a small channel. You don't have to be intimidated. You don't have to have 100,000 subscribers or anything like that. And you can actually turn it into a full-time income, which I have. We're going to come down here. Bonus number 2, you're going to get my secret YouTube ranking method, custom mini course, only offering once before. This is how I rank any video I want at the first position of YouTube, giving you the unfair advantage. I should be charging for this knowledge. Get it in this bundle pack for free. Okay. We're going to keep going. Bonus number 3, you're going to get YouTube video keyword research secrets. So how you can go out and actually find the right keywords to put in your title and the keywords that you should actually be going for. So you can actually ensure that you're going to get steady traffic on your YouTube videos. And these are all custom video trainings from me. These aren't pulled or scraped from YouTube or anything like that. These are actually me teaching you premium content that I don't teach on this channel. Bonus number 4, you're going to get YouTube title creation tips. Get the over-shoulder custom training only. And this is how to create the best YouTube titles and how to come up with the best title ideas for your videos. So it goes along because you can actually build all this traffic from YouTube, right? And you can send them to the offers from the free affiliate funnels. Okay. So that's why these are very relevant bonuses. Bonus number 4, get this off over the shoulder custom training only from me. You get, and then bonus number 5, you're going to get my latest course, how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. It's a 1-hour video training course, and it does sell for $59. But you can see right here, I've made it $0 just for you. The link will be ready for you immediately after you make the purchase, and you'll get access to this 1-hour course on how you can do from script writing to the voiceovers to even getting the videos created, all using artificial intelligence. You can have videos created in like 30 minutes or less and build YouTube channels with that as well. So super, super cool. And then last but not least, bonus number 6, you're going to get an exclusive bonus from me, a faceless video creation for courses. And I just wanted to throw that in there as well if you want to also create courses or videos like what you're seeing right now. I'm not on camera right now. I don't mind getting on camera, but I'm not on camera on this video. And it proves that you can rank videos, you can get traffic, you can make money, and you can build courses as well. And you don't have to be in this lower right-hand corner on camera, right? So just click any of these buttons and go pick up your copy of free affiliate funnels. Go to this page, click this button right here, and then you will get all of my bonuses. Okay, so let's check out the product real quick. So here's free affiliate funnels. All right, so what are you getting inside of here? So this is free affiliate funnels. These are the funnels that you're gonna have access to, and it'll make more sense to you as I show you more of the product, but you're gonna get an email marketing on fire, the project restart, 10x traffic, affiliate marketing done right. I'll show you a couple more. I'm not going to show you all of them. Email marketing checklist, YouTube advertising checklist, and just look at the quality of these, right? So you're actually going to access the funnel, and we're going to go and check out the welcome page right here. So Kevin gives you a welcome video. It's 4 minutes long. It explains the whole kind of thing to you. And then you can go through and there's all kinds of different, it's just well laid out. I wish all the products would come out like this, where it's well laid out for you, high quality. And then he'll teach you how to install these. So if you go under training, you can actually, there's a training on how to request your affiliate link and what to put in there so you get approved immediately to all these offers. You get traffic generation training. You get email formatting and follow-up emails. So there's all kinds of email autoresponders. Every funnel has autoresponder built into it. Is just incredible. And for all you Groove funnels, ClickFunnels, OptimizePress, Kyvio, Thrive Themes, Elementor, Convertri, training on how to set everything up from the technical standpoint if you want to go that route. You can also get 100% commissions access as well. There's all kinds of different things that you can do with this offer. You can go to the next step. I'm only going to show you the first few options here. Now he's going to show you and go over the different options on each funnel. I'll show you that in 1 second. And then there's some free affiliate funnels bonuses right here as well. But if we go to one of the funnels, for example, let's go for the email marketing on fire. This is a funnel that basically, if I go through here real quick, and there's an option 1 and an option 2. Now here is what the funnel looks like, right? You get the free, this is the most important part, right? This is the lead magnet right here, is the free email marketing on fire right here. You're going to send them to that page. And then when you go and send them to this page right here, it's going to look like this, right? You're going to send them to this page, beautiful page, high converting, 100% free training giveaway. Discover how to increase your email marketing results by 400% today. So people are going to click on this button, right? And then they're going to put in their email, and then it's going to send them to a download page. That's going to look like this. Thanks for signing up. It's going to have a video right there as well and give them access to what they signed up for. And then immediately they're going to go through a funnel right here, much like any of the other products you've bought, and they're going to have a chance to upsell all these. You would make money if they sell any of those. Now, during the sign up process, that it's going to send them to Warrior Plus, and they are going to have to put in their email address. And then in that case, Kevin is going to go and email blast them several times on his own funnel, but you're going to get the commissions for anything that sells, even with his email autoresponder. So that's how this works. If you, the fastest way to set this up is to go with using option 1. You're just going to request for your affiliate link, and then you're going to go and start sending traffic to that link. You're going to send traffic directly. You're going to send traffic directly to one of these pages like this, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And everything else will be done for you. It's high converting, but the downside of that is that you won't be building your email list. I recommend that you could do this until you start building up of $50 a day or something like that with these items. Then you can start switching out your marketing to the little bit more technical way of setting everything up, which is using option 2. You request for your affiliate link this way, and then you're going to go through here, and he's going to teach you how to go and set all these up to where you're going to get the email address, basically, a lead capture page before all this, so you can get their email address. And there's training on all that right there. Okay. So that in a nutshell is the product. Super, super simple, but this is what you need. You actually need a product and a lead magnet, a high quality, high converting product in order to send traffic to start making money. Who better than to get the product that's already been proven to convert? All of these products have been proven to convert. It's from Kevin Fahey. He makes over $500,000 on Warrior Plus per year. He knows what he's doing. And so this is a chance for you to take a piece of that pie. So go and pick up free affiliate funnels. Click the link below. You'll be taken to this page. You can check out all my bonuses again. All you have to do is just click on one of these buttons. You're going to get access to all of my bonuses. So thanks for your time in this review. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.